It feels weird to have to wash your washing machine, but as an active family of 6, we use our washing machine a lot. She deserves attention too. I like these active washing machine cleaner tablets. They make it really easy and convenient. It comes with 24 tablets, which is an entire year's supply. They even add a handy calendar on the inside of the box, which I appreciate because my brain did not need another thing to keep up with. They even sent a personalized letter thanking me for my business, which I thought was really personable. They're formulated to work with all washing machines, even HE. It's really easy. You just pop it into the washer drum, but you want to make sure you don't put it in the detergent dispenser. And depending on your washer, if it has a washing cycle, you use that. Otherwise, you just use the normal cycle on hot. Once it's finished, you just wipe away the remaining residue with a towel and you're ready to go for that inevitable next load of laundry.